Okay, what would you do for a Klondike bar? One more. That was a bad one.
Your turn, Luke.
Mom, what's this?
What's your trick?
Can I
Hold on. No, I want a headstand or whatever Jenna just did.
Somersault.
Somersault. Come on. No, a headstand. Quit getting grass stains on your knees.
Somersault.
Do a somersault.
You don't need to think about it. It's a somersault.
Come on, the ice cream's melting.
Is that ice cream?
One bite.
It hurts first.
There, one bite.